Let us learn to make a little birdie using different chart papers. First, take circular pieces of chart paper of different sizes. Now, apply adhesive and paste a large green circular piece of chart paper in the center. Paste another smaller circle to make the head of the bird. Now, take 4 circular pieces of different sized green and yellow colored chart papers. Fold these circles into halves and insert into each other with alternating colors to make the wings. Apply some adhesive and paste the wings on the bird's body. Next, take 2 circles of orange color. Fold them into 2 halves and apply adhesive to paste on the head, forming a beak. Now, fold 2 circles, one black in color and the other white, into halves and applying adhesive, paste on the bird's head to make the eyes. Similarly, apply adhesive and paste 2 folded circles to form the bird's feet. And this way, your little birdie is completely ready and is ready to fly.